Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Xbox Series X or S and keep everything. So what you want to do is go up to top, go to Settings, and then going down to System, go to the right, and go to Console Info. Then go to Reset Console. And then under here, we have two different options. So if you want to remove everything and return it to like the factory defaults with no account or games or apps or data, go to the first option, Reset and remove everything. But maybe you just have an issue with some sort of setting, go to reset and keep my games and apps. So you can reset everything. Then you're going to have to type in your email address and password to sign back into your account. But this will reset and keep your games and apps on your Xbox. And it should only take about 5 minutes and you should be back logged in and playing. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.